How to find people you recently played Roblox with. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how we can do or find those on Roblox. Without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. So the first thing we can do is we can go to roblox.com, or you can open up the application Roblox in your device. Once you open it up, there are certain methods. One of the best methods is checking out the game server list. So we can just go over and scroll down, and once we scroll down, usually if you have recently played any game, here in this continue section you can find all of your game. You can go ahead and open up the game and go ahead and look out for the specific service options, click on service, and here if there are any people, you can spot the player's username or avatar in the server section that your friends are in, and that may be a thing we can look out for and assume if that people are someone that we played with. Also, you can check out your chat history. You can look out for messages, and if you have, interacted with them, that also can be a reason that person, or let's assume that maybe one of the reasons that person has recently played with you. Apart from that, there are different kind of extensions. Those are not really reliable. But for now, there is no certain direct way in Roblox that has provided us a way to look out for, you know, saying that people has recently played with us. We can look out for our friends section here, and if there are new friends here that you may have probably played with them, so you both of you added each other and you are available in the section right here. You can just go over and see, and that's it. And that is how we do it. You can just go and follow this method for now. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.